Welcome. Today we're going to explore how to enable syncing on your Gmail app. Keeping your emails up to date is essential for staying organized, and I'm here to guide you through the steps to ensure everything syncs smoothly on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. This is where all the action happens, so make sure you have it ready. Once the app is open, look for the three horizontal lines located at the top left corner of your screen. This is your menu button. Tap on it to expand the menu options. Now that you have the menu open, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings. This section allows you to manage your account preferences and various settings related to your Gmail experience. You'll see a list of accounts associated with your Gmail app. Choose the account that you want to sync. Be sure to select the right one, especially if you manage multiple accounts. After selecting your account, scroll down until you find the data usage section. Here, you will see an option labeled Sync Gmail. Make sure to enable this option by checking the box next to it. Enabling sync will ensure that your emails are always up to date and that you receive new messages in real time. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled syncing on your Gmail app. This simple action allows you to enjoy a seamless email experience, ensuring that you're always connected and informed about your messages. Remember, enabling syncing may increase data usage and could impact battery life, so keep an eye on those aspects if you're concerned. If you need to adjust how frequently your emails sync, you can return to the Sync Gmail option and select a frequency that suits your needs. Thank you for following along. Enjoy your organized inbox and never miss an important email again. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your digital life.